So we took a trip to Toledo, which is 1 hour outside of Madrid, about. This trip was with my Caribbean friends, so I'm excited to share it with you today.
There's a river we can see as well, a Roman circus thing, the main plaza, another castle, and then two bridges and a mirador.
Okay.
Anything looks like something nobody wants to do.
I'm on the same page.
Alright, let's go.
Vámonos. You taking a rest in the shade? Yeah, it's really hot. So we're coming up to an escalator that will take us to the top of this mountain, or hill. Is it a hill or a mountain, you know?
I would say a hill.
Okay, to the top of this hill. So we can see, well, whatever is up there and a view of the city. The escalators are really convenient because if not, we'd have to walk up all this way in order to get to the top of the hill. Boy, let's go. Almost get left. Yeah.
Welcome back to April's channel. Subscribe, like, share.
Yes. Yeah, the view here is lovely.
That lawn is so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Compared to the rest of the place. There are several miradors in this area, especially around the main river. So my friends and I went to several of them just to see the different views in each location. Now this is amazing. Hey guys, so we are at one of the viewpoints in Toledo right now, and one thing that's characteristic about Toledo are the rocks that are scattered about. So we are going to go to the bridge right above the river, but we decided to take a group picture first. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but Mirador means viewpoint basically. So we were feeling really hot and drained, so we decided to go a bit lower so we could be in the shade. But down here is just really beautiful and it's really peaceful as well. yeah, we're just here looking at the river and chilling somewhat because it's really hot. Like the sun is draining us right now. I look forward to seeing it around sunset time if we're here that late because it's a summer. So the sun sets around 10. Maybe we won't be here. Hey guys, how you feeling?
Hungry.
Thirsty.
Water, some
good.
water.
Yeah.
But I want.
Another thing that's striking about Toledo is the medieval architecture which fills the whole city. In fact, the whole city has been declared a World Heritage Site. So this is where we stop to get something to eat and to rest some more. I mean, it was a lot because at this time it was the beginning of August, so the temperature was above 40 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it took a toll on us. If you do get to visit Toledo, I would recommend going closer to the evening when the sun would set. I've heard that the sunset or sunrise in Toledo is amazing. I look forward to seeing that. I hope that I'll be able to see that. But this is our trip, and I hope you enjoyed coming along with us. In spite of everything, it was amazing, and I love the beauty. I think Toledo is one of the most beautiful cities in Spain. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.